I'm going to make Kafta kebab. It's winter, I know. It doesn't matter, we're still going outside and grilling some meat. This recipe is really simple, doesn't take too long. For this recipe, we're going to use two kind of meat. This one is lamb, half kilo, and this one is beef, 1 kilo, 1 teaspoon turmeric, half teaspoon of sumac, green cumin, black cumin, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 tablespoon of salt and pepper, 1 bunch of coriander chopped, 1 large grated onion, 1 tablespoon of crushed garlic. You're not using gloves, which I won't use gloves, so make sure your hands are nicely washed. And ready to put them on the skewers. I have these sieves and I have really great memories from this. I used to have a restaurant, used to be a family business, and I kept this as souvenir, and it's a great memory that I will never forget. So we're ready. All the time I try to make one always as a sample and see if the masala is good and all the flavor is there. And then if it's not, then I'll add some more. No problem with that. So I'm trying to make it like restaurant style, so you will see. You have to make like a perfect ball. Have some warm water to work with. There we go. Now we have the ball right here. Don't be shy to use both hands. I'll just cut it, and as well the top. To have that restaurant style kebab, what you do is press it flat like this, and just give it a nice design. And voila, beautiful. It's so clean from the ends. There we go. We got the perfect kebab. It's all ready and we're ready to grill them. It's been 3 minutes. We're going to flip all of them. We don't want to overcook it because we want really nice juicy kebab. Now we're going to butter them. I'm going to make some chutney for purpose of this video because I still have my own. So I'm just making this for you guys. All we need is some coriander, fresh coriander, some chili, garlic, throw some salt in there, some white vinegar, and just blend it. We're gonna add some water. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys all enjoyed it. This is really simple and very delicious. This recipe brings back so much memories from the restaurant that I used to have. Like I said, it doesn't matter if it's snowing, raining, we have to grill. Thank you so much. Until next time, bye.
Whoa, it smells so good here. What is this?
Whoa, where you came from?
What is this? There's kebabs happening here. I had no idea. Okay, wait. I have to try this. If you're not gonna try it, I'm gonna try it.
Go ahead.
Okay, so we're gonna take a piece of kebab right here. I'm gonna dip it in some chutney.
Fresh chutney.
Fresh chutney.
You like it?
I don't know which one I like more, the chutney or the kebab, but together they taste so good. I am really enjoying this. Do you want to try some?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. It's really, really good. Like,
I love the fresh chutney. So good, guys.
It's so good. And you know what? It doesn't matter. It could be winter outside, it could be summer outside. There's always a time to grill and enjoy some good grilled meats. And this is a really good recipe. I love it. Until next time. Bye.
Bye.
I smell something really good. So, what is this?
Wait.
Can
Do you
I
want to come back? No.
Oh, wait.
Thank you so much for watching. Wait,
Thanks for watching, guys.
Can I do it again? Thank you so much for watching.
Hey, wait. You didn't even do a taste test yet.
Oh.
Wait, you didn't do a taste test yet. So, can I try it?
Wait, I smell something really good.
Sure.
Right?
Sure. Wait, what is that? Hey, you made kebabs without me? Guys, I'm not gonna look at her. Wait.
No,
Guys.
babe.